Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain tech to keep your digital assets secure. Today, we're tackling how to transfer XDC to Ledger in 2025. XDC, the native coin of the XFin network, is gaining traction for its efficiency in smart contracts and cross-border payments. Transferring it to a Ledger hardware wallet is a smart move to protect it from online threats. This process is straightforward, but always double-check for the latest updates since crypto tech evolves quickly. Let's dive in. First, make sure your Ledger device is set up and updated. If you haven't already, connect your Ledger Nano S, X, or another model to your computer via USB and open the Ledger Live app. Update your device's firmware to the 2025 version for optimal compatibility. Next, install the XDC app on your Ledger. In Ledger Live, head to the app catalog, search for XDC, and install it. This app allows your Ledger to interact with XDC coins securely. Once installed, open the app on your device. You'll see a confirmation on the screen. Now, gather your XDC from its current location, like an exchange or software wallet. For safety, use a reputable platform and enable two-factor authentication. Copy your Ledger's XDC address by connecting your device, opening the XDC app, and using Ledger Live to display the address. Double-check it to avoid any mistakes. With your address ready, initiate the transfer. Go to your exchange or wallet, select XDC, enter the amount you want to send, and paste in your Ledger address. Include any required network fees. In 2025, XDC transactions are typically fast and low cost. Finally, confirm the transaction on your Ledger device. You'll be prompted to verify the details on the screen. Always review them carefully before approving. Once done, wait for the blockchain to confirm, which usually takes a few minutes. And that's it. You've successfully transferred your XDC to your Ledger wallet. Remember, never share your seed phrase, and always keep your device offline when not in use. If you run into issues, check the official Ledger or XFin support pages. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you next time.